Hey everyone, welcome back. Another easy recipe on how to make whole fried chicken. All you need are a few ingredients which we already have at home. For a crispy, juicy and flavorful chicken, give it a try and enjoy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And let's get started. These are the ingredients to make whole fried chicken. Here I have got 1 kilo chicken. Let's make a few gashes on the chicken so that the seasoning will get into the chicken well. In a small bowl, add a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, add little buttermilk to the spices, mix well. I've got 6 cups of buttermilk. To make this, take 6 cups of water, add 3 tablespoons of curd, give it a nice mix. Add the spices to the buttermilk. We are going to soak the chicken in the spiced buttermilk. By doing this, we will get a nice juicy chicken. You can also use any seasoning of your liking. This will get infused with every part of the chicken. Cover the chicken, let it sit in the refrigerator overnight. This is to coat the chicken. For that I have taken 1.5 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of corn flour or cornstarch. I am using a teaspoon of all these spices, salt, ginger powder, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper powder, chili powder. Combine all these ingredients well. Now let's divide this into 2 portions. One half to dust the chicken and the other half to make batter to dip the chicken in. Let's make batter for chicken. To the flour, add 2 eggs, whisk well for a minute or 2. Add a cup of water, add little by little, whisk well until you get a smooth batter. Keep the chicken out from the refrigerator 2 hours before cooking. It should come to room temperature. Drain out the liquid completely from the chicken. Place the chicken on a kitchen towel or use some tissue to dab the excess liquid. Add the seasoning flour to the chicken and dab every part of the chicken. This will help to coat the batter well on the chicken. Dip the chicken well in the batter. Let the batter coat every part of it. Hold it for a minute or two to drain out the excess batter. Now add the dry seasoning flour to the chicken and coat well. Heat up enough oil on a medium-high heat. Carefully place the chicken and fry them on both sides for about 10 to 15 minutes or until you get a golden brown color. Keep pouring hot oil on the chicken to cook evenly. Chicken is fried well, nice golden and crispy. Remove it from the oil and place it on a wire rack for 5 minutes to cool down. There you go, crispy, juicy and flavorful chicken is ready to be served. Serve hot. Give it a try and enjoy. Share this recipe with your family and friends. Also, share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. I hope you like this video. If you do, consider subscribing. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.